Open your maths classwork book to page number 64 and we will begin with number name 5. F-I-V-E 5. Let's trace. Make a curve from the first red line, come down in a standing line, touch the second blue line, and in the first blue line make a sleeping line F. Blue line to blue line standing line and a dot I. Blue line to blue line slant line and another slant line V. Slant line, touch the first blue line, make a C curve and come down and touch the bottom blue line E. 5. Let's write once more. See the formation, children. F I V E 5. Now we will write SIX 6. SIX 6. First we make a small C curve and then a reverse C curve, blue line to blue line, S. Blue line to blue line standing line and a dot I. From left make a slanting line, come down to the second blue line, and from right make another slanting line and come down to the second blue line. SIX 6. One more time. S I X 6. SIX 6. Then we have number name 7. SEVEN 7. S E V E N. Standing line, blue line to blue line, go up, touch the first blue line and come down, touch the second blue line. N. Once more. S E V E N. 7. Next number is 8. EIGHT 8. E I. Make a C curve, blue line to blue line, go up, touch the first blue line, come down and touch the bottom red line and make a slight curve. G. Standing line from the red line, touch the bottom second blue line, come up, touch the first blue line and come back down. H. For T, you leave a little space on the top and you make a standing line, touch the bottom blue line and make a curve. And on the first blue line, sleeping line. T. EIGHT. E I G H T 8.